You're looking at this garden here. The brothers encircled it with these sticks you see here. They have these beans that's gonna grow on these, climb up. Poagol, Brother Philip, Poagol, all encircling this garden here on both sides. When they grow, it's gonna block all these. It's gonna be so bushy you won't be able to see inside. It helps to protect. So when people are walking through, especially when they come and get the water, you see the water, it runs here to the west and to the east. And if you follow the pipe down, going north, okay, so we got lettuce and some bean. The lettuce looks